Here's the old bad motor. There's the hole in the block right there. There's the spun up piston. All right, what's up, y'all? So we got that old blown motor out of the abandoned Chevy Avalanche project we've been working on. Looks like we found a pretty good replacement, guys. Let's get this thing loaded up. So I found this engine on Marketplace. It's like a 2003, 2004 5.3 V8. Said it came out of a Yukon, 143,000 miles. I know, but it's like an 03, 04, so you know, 20 years old. But you know, it's gonna get the job done for me. All right, we got the motor out, guys. We got it all set down here, and I gotta go through the whole thing. You see all these wires, they're all coming off. We're swapping over to the one that was already on the truck. So we need to swap a bunch of stuff to make this work. We need to take the intake off of this, put it on there. That's got E85 injectors. That's not gonna work. We gotta swap a whole bunch of stuff around, but this is gonna work, guys. Oh, and that's the new computer I'm not using. I'm using my old one. So let's get this thing all swapped up, cleaned up, pressure washed up, resealed up. Let's get it done. We got to tune this engine up though before we drop it in. So on these LS engines, these exhaust header bolts always snap off clean. There's one there that snapped. Here's a stalker in there for comparison. Here's the stainless ones I put on here. And those things are gonna work great, guys. You can see the space difference here from when you bolt the header down, they'll be nice and tight. I got the oil pan off. There's an O-ring up here I want to change out. This thing's pretty gnarly, gotta get it cleaned up. You can see all the gunk in here. It's pretty gnarly and nasty. Yuck. There's no metal though, that's good. Look at that O-ring. That thing is totally flat. That's not gonna seal well at all. This thing is totally nasty. I got a fix for that. Oh yeah. Gross. Timing chain looks good. Need a new O-ring for that, but all the cylinders look good. It all looks good. Got the gasket all cleaned up. Checked all these rods. They're all good, nice and tight. It's got a layer of gunk on it still, but you know what? It'll be alright. Alright, well that's nice and clean. Old O-ring, new O-ring. Yup, look how flat this one is on the bottom compared to this. Done. There, it's in. Don't want it to back out. Alright, let's get this thing tight. Brand new OEM gasket. I'm gonna put some silicone on these corners right here so that they seal right where it mates up. You can see at this point we've gone through the whole thing. We fixed the knock sensors, new valve cover gaskets. I might get the updated valve cover that doesn't use as much oil on this one. Painted some stuff. Painted the motor. New motor mounts. This thing's gonna be ready to go back in soon, guys. I just need to tidy it up a little bit more. This thing's gonna be in tip-top shape when we put it in. We don't have to crawl around the engine bay to get it tuned up. Let's get this new motor installed.
coming. Watch the radiator.
Man, getting the motor installed, that was easy. But hooking up all that other stuff, that's what takes forever. All right, all that hard work, this is a moment of truth. Will it start? Let's find out. Yes! 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 We did it, guys! We did it! Yes! Hell yeah! Running quiet. Oh no, I can't stop, guys! Stop. Whoa! All right, so this engine's running good, truck's running good. I'll check y'all on the next one. Full video down below. Later.